Welcome to this detailed review of the BitMax wallet. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about BitMax wallet, a trusted tool for managing your cryptocurrency securely and efficiently. BitMax wallet stands out as a versatile platform designed to make crypto asset management accessible for both beginners and seasoned investors. It offers a user-friendly interface coupled with robust security measures to ensure your digital assets are well-protected. To get started, simply download the BitMax wallet app from the official website or your preferred app store. Once installed, the setup process is straightforward. You'll need to create a secure password and back up your recovery phrase, a critical step to safeguard your assets in case you lose access to your wallet. The wallet supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, making it a convenient choice for diversifying your portfolio. BitMax wallet provides features like real-time tracking of cryptocurrency prices, transaction history, and the ability to send and receive funds seamlessly. It also integrates with decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms, giving users access to staking, swapping, and lending features directly from the app. The wallet's intuitive design ensures that all these functions are accessible without overwhelming the user. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Security is a cornerstone of BitMax wallet. It employs advanced encryption protocols to protect your data and funds. The app also supports biometric authentication for an added layer of security. Additionally, BitMax wallet ensures full control over your private keys, empowering you to manage your crypto assets with confidence. One of the standout features of BitMax wallet is its in-app customer support. The support team is available to help resolve issues promptly, ensuring a smooth user experience. For those venturing into the crypto space for the first time, BitMax wallet's educational resources provide valuable insights into managing digital assets effectively. For frequent traders, the wallet's integration with popular exchange platforms simplifies the trading process. Whether you're swapping tokens or checking market trends, everything can be done within the wallet, eliminating the need to switch between multiple apps. Enjoy this guide. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like to stay updated on more crypto tools and reviews.